next game is clean your castle or protect your castle. So you have your chairs and your blanket or your sheet set up in a fort. Then you have your pit balls. And now I want you to go ahead and separate the pit balls so that each side has an even number so that you make it fair. I'm going to come around, so I'm going to pretend to be on this team on this side. We'll pretend like I have 4 pit balls on my side and they have 4 pit balls on their side, okay? Then we're going to turn on the music and you'll just take the pit balls and go boop, toss it over to the other side. But at the same time, they're going to be tossing their pit balls on your side. It's crazy. And you're just going to keep going and going and going until the music stops and then freeze. Count how many pit balls are left on your side and their side, and whoever has the least amount of pit balls has the cleanest castle. This game is so much fun. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. To clean your castle or protect your castle game, what you will need to get for your kiddos, you'll need to have 2 chairs, either a blanket. This one was really large, like a smaller sheet could totally work. And then you'll need some sort of soft ball, like a pit ball. These can be found on Amazon right now. I just checked, they have plenty. I have 5 here with me, but you maybe want more than that, depending on how many kiddos you have that will be playing this game. I hope they enjoy it.